Let's start exploring how to create a roadmap template in PowerPoint. Using SmartArt graphics, click on the Insert tab, then select SmartArt from the ribbon. This pop-up window will consist of various graphic categories. You can choose the one you prefer. Choose a suitable SmartArt layout for a roadmap. Click on the text boxes to fill in your content. Click on Change Colors in SmartArt Design to change the colors. You can adjust font size, style, alignment, or resize and move the entire graphics as needed. To make your roadmap more engaging, you can add small icons or images above or beside each step. Check the slide in full screen to see how it looks. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.